Sunday, January 26th, and I just met Peter in the driveway. He was driving out, I was driving in, and we'll check on the boys here and see what they're up to. And the cat is staring at me like he needs more treats. Well, let's check on him with Dad and find out what's going on here. Come back to Randy. You can hear a lot of sanding happening, and it looks like it's probably the doors that are being sanded. And it is the doors being sanded. Dad's young apprentice has got his dust mask on, which is a good thing. And Dad is looking like he's working on the brake cylinder for Peter's Snow 75. So, good task to be away from because it's nice and dusty. But they'll be working on that for the next little while here. And Dad usually has to manufacture all these different brake cylinders, and he's got something in the vise there, but we'll check back in on him. He's doing some grinding, and as you can see, the transmission cooler is now mounted on the rad as well. I hope they have enough clearance. Looks like they do, and seems to be a cable there, probably for the throttle, and you can see it going over here. Randy is our wiring extraordinaire, and he's putting in the wiring panel underneath, and he's got all the wire out here. I think he's just checking to see the different wiring things he has to do here. And if you notice, we showed this before, all the gauges are in. The only gauge, I think, is the old hour meter right there. Everything else is the new auto value, I think they're called, gauges. But we'll check in with Dad here in a bit. Monday, January 27th. And the boys have been working hard here. 3 guys in the shop today. More sanding being done. Quite a bit of sanding. Dad's just showing his young apprentice what to do here. Looks like some of the kitty hair got installed and ground off. I don't know, but there's lots more work to be done here.
They're all ready for priming and painting.
Oh, they are? Okay.
We're just waiting for a couple more of these.
Yeah. Okay, so that's all done, and again, these are the doors for the Snow 75, and Randy's doing some wiring here underneath the dash. I'll go around the other side, and Randy is full bore underneath there.
There's the brake cylinder bracket and the cylinder.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Gotta be painted yet.
So usually that's a lot of work, but Dad's got that done here. It's actually kind of handy having help in the shop here. So Randy's doing all that underneath there. That looks like way more wiring was accomplished here today. Now, what else did I see here?
Well, he brought the springs now for.
Okay.
For
he found the springs.
He bought some big springs.
Okay.
We'll make them fit.
And this is the
Shifter cables and
okay, so the shifter cable for the dash mounted gear shifter is usually a pretty hard find, but we had them made up. And we got a battery installed, or a battery here anyways, and there's
just showed him what size the battery fits there.
Okay.
He bought a big one for the other side.
Okay. So that's what they're using on that side, and then there's another one for another on the other side here. It's not there. Anyways, so Dad is still got his young fella here working in the shop. I gotta take Dad down the highway for 2 days for a doctor's appointment. Everything's okay. Just got a doctor's appointment in Winnipeg. So they're probably gonna shut down here for 2 days. But kind of dusty and gassy in here, so we'll probably put the fan on for a bit, and we'll check in with these guys later on. And there's Charles in charge, yeah. And then there's Emily and Schooner Shop Dog playing, hey. And the old dog, he's gonna get in there and give these guys a hard time. Oh, good dog, a good old dog.